I'm just going to give you a basic overview of the controls right now for the Velocity. Right here we have a menu button. On the right side we have an info button, and then we'll call these our select buttons. If we had a KFC specific control, we would have buttons on the bottom for products 1 through 0 or 1 through 10. But the rest of the buttons are the same. We'll start with the menu button. The menu button, if we press and hold that in, we can get to every menu on the fryer. We have filter menu, info mode, USB, and if I press the menu button again, it's going to show me steps 4, 5, and 6, or exit. So then I have programming, clock set, and exit menu. If I press menu again, it just goes back to filter mode. If I press and hold the menu button, it exits out of our main menu. Info button gives me status. It tells me the temperature, the set point. It's going to go blank here. I'll show you a little trick on the info button. The info button, if you just push it in the lower right corner, it has a little hold button. It's a secret. And then once this little light starts to flash next to the info button, then this display stays. So we have our temperature of the oil, our set point temperature, so it's in cool mode right now, our pressure. So remember, there is no pressure gauge on this fryer. The only way to see pressure is from our info button. And that's all being read from a pressure transducer that's mounted to the fry pod. So we have our pressure, then here's our heat light. There is no non-dedicated heat light, so if we call for heat, we'll get an asterisk next to the heat light, and same with pressure. If we're calling for pressure, we'll see a little asterisk here. Okay? If I continue to press the info button, I go to wipe controls. If I press check, it disables a button so I can clean. Shows me when the last filter was. This is a new control, so there's no stats there. Press this again, shows me the last time the fryer was polished. And then if I press it again, it shows me the current time and date. Good way to verify it is set up correct, and this is correct in this case. Press it again, and we're back to the main display. For more about how the display works and cook menus and everything like that, see the operation video.